In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Busbud in just a few simple steps so you can get the integration set up quickly and start using it the right way. This is a great walkthrough if you want to connect an app inside ChatGPT without getting lost in the settings, and I'll keep it super clear from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. You can go directly to chatgpt.com and sign in if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to go to your profile. You'll usually find your profile in the corner of the screen. Click on it and then look for settings. Inside the settings menu, you want to find the apps section. This is where ChatGPT lets you manage connected apps and integrations. Click on apps and then look for the option that says add more. That will take you to the app directory where you can search for the service you want to connect. Now in the search bar, type in Busbud. As soon as Busbud appears in the results, click on it to open the app page. This is the part where you're selecting the exact integration you want to connect with ChatGPT. So make sure you choose Busbud and not a similar looking result. On the Busbud app page, you'll see a connect button. Click on connect to begin the linking process. Depending on your account settings, ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time. So if you see another connect button or a permission screen, go ahead and click connect again to continue. After that, ChatGPT should finish setting up the connection. Once it's done, you can start a new chat. This is where the integration becomes useful because you can begin using Busbud through ChatGPT in a more connected and streamlined way. If you need to access more app options, click the plus icon and then choose more. From there, you can return to the Busbud app SOM and confirm that everything is connected properly. Once you see Busbud listed and available inside your ChatGPT apps, that's a good sign that the setup was successful. Finally, open Busbud one more time from within ChatGPT if needed, and you're done. At this point, ChatGPT is connected to Busbud, and you can move forward with using the app through your ChatGPT workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.